Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted place to uncover the truth behind trending online products and websites. Today, we're diving deep into a popular gadget that's been making waves on social media, the GuardHouse Camera. It claims to be the ultimate portable security cam that keeps you safe anywhere. But is it really worth buying, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. So, what exactly is the GuardHouse Camera? According to their ads, it's a mini wireless security camera that can be placed anywhere, your home, office, or even outdoors. They say it records in 1080p HD, has motion detection, night vision, and can stream directly to your phone. Sounds impressive, right? Especially when they market it as the ultimate solution for safety and peace of mind. But before you pull out your credit card, let's take a closer look at what's really going on. When we checked their official website, a few red flags immediately stood out. First, no clear company details. There's no address, no verified brand name, and sometimes even the About Us section looks copy-pasted from other gadget sites. Second, no contact number or live chat support. And third, the reviews on their website seem too good to be true. Many of them sound repetitive or generic, which often indicates fake testimonials. Also, we found that similar mini cameras are available on Amazon and AliExpress for half the price, with the same design and even similar descriptions. That's a big clue that the GuardHouse Camera might just be a rebranded dropshipping product. When digging into real customer reviews on Reddit, Facebook, and forums, the story gets more interesting. Many buyers complained that the camera quality was poor, not true 1080p. The app was glitchy and difficult to connect. Some people even said they never received their order or got no response from customer support. However, a few users did mention that it worked decently for short-term indoor monitoring, so it's not a total scam, but it's definitely not as premium as advertised. So, is the GuardHouse Camera worth buying? If you're looking for a cheap, temporary mini camera for basic use, maybe. But if you're expecting high-quality performance, reliable support, and long-lasting security, you might end up disappointed. Before you buy, compare with trusted brands like Blink, Wise, or TP-Link Topo, which offer better features, warranties, and verified customer support. So our verdict on the GuardHouse Camera: not a total scam, but definitely overhyped and overpriced for what it offers. Always do your research, check company transparency, and never trust flashy ads that promise the ultimate solution without proof. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, where we help you stay safe, smart, and scam-free online. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.